Welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial update for all you LinkedIn users: how to change your address. Whether you've moved, want to test the waters in a new location, or are just being cautious about sharing too much personal information, keeping your LinkedIn profile up to date is essential. So, let's get straight to it with this simple, step-by-step guide to ensure your professional network always knows where to find you. First, open your LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for your profile picture in the top left corner. Tap on it. This is your gateway to personalizing your LinkedIn presence. Next, you'll want to access your settings. To do this, tap on the Me icon. This will take you to a new menu where you can fine-tune your account preferences. Look for Settings and then Account Preferences. These settings are key to controlling your LinkedIn experience. Once you're in Account Preferences, find the Profile Information section. Here, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in today is Name, Location, and Industry. Tap this to proceed. Now, to make the magic happen, look for the Edit icon, which usually looks like a pencil. This is your ticket to modifying your contact information. Tapping this will lead you to the Edit Contact Info section, where you can update various details. In the Edit Contact Info section, you'll find the address bar. Here, you can update your address. Type in your new address, ensuring it accurately reflects your current location. Once you've entered your new address, double-check everything to ensure it's correct. Then tap Save, and that's it. Your LinkedIn profile now reflects your updated address. Remember, LinkedIn is a dynamic platform, and keeping your information current helps you connect with the right opportunities and people. Whether you're looking for a job, networking, or simply staying in touch, an accurate profile is key. Also, keep in mind, LinkedIn's advice: if you can't find your city, use a different postal code or select the nearest major location. So go ahead, update your address, and ensure your LinkedIn profile is an accurate reflection of your professional self.